This website says 403 forbidden. Looks secure, right? But in just 2 minutes using fuzzing, I found hidden directories, backup files, and even a working parameter. Today, I'll show you how hackers use fuzzing to break into applications step by step. Web fuzzing is one of the simplest but most powerful techniques in bug bounty. If something behaves differently, that's where bugs hide. Most beginners ignore fuzzing, but pros make money from it. You only need two things to start fuzzing. First one is tools, and the second one is word lists. Tools we have are FFUF, that is the fast and the best. Then we have Gobuster, and third we have Burp Intruder. Word list we can use are SecLists, that's already in Kali Linux. Think of word lists as guesses. The better you guess, the better your results are. Let's start with directory fuzzing. So let's do FFUF and dash U with our website, and here let's paste it, and we'll use fuzz dash W for this SecLists common.txt. So we'll be using, I have it in different locations, so on my desktop and word list, then common.txt. Okay, and I'll run it. So here fuzz is the placeholder, like the word list will replace it. Okay, and there are many hidden paths developers didn't want you to see. Now we go deeper into file fuzzing. So let's do FFUF dash U and HTTP. Wait, our URL again. Let me just copy it and paste it, and fuzz dash W with word list and common.txt, and let's do dash E for dot php dot html and dot txt dot back and dot js. Let's do, yeah, this one. So here dash E is for extensions, and this dash back are for backup files, like this PHP is for backend logic. So if you found config.php.back, that is game over. Means the database credentials are exposed. Okay, so now see, there are many, but these are showing 403, but there will be much more, so we can do it. We can do like, let me do one thing. Let's close it, and now we'll go into recursive fuzzing. So what if admin panel has more hidden stuff inside? So let's do FFUF and dash U and our URL fuzz. Then we have dash W for desktop and word list and common.txt, and then dash recursion I think I've spelled it right. Yeah. So let's say, what if for this website there is a admin path and that is showing 403, but it has some files that are like not uh, configured properly and you can access them. So here, let's try it. So dash w, you know about it, it's for word list, and this will automatically scan inside discovered folders. So this is how hackers go deeper without manual work. Now things get interesting. So we have a URL and it has a parameter like, let's say, x. Okay, so we can use like FFUF and dash u for HTTPS and world web dot, wait, let me just check it. Yeah, test PHP, this one, this website, and here we have path. The path was, I think, let's say, test, and x equals fuzz. Okay, and we'll use dash w for our desktop word list and common.txt. Okay, and we'll use dash mc for match count 200. So here we are guessing the correct value. So this is parameter fuzzing. We can fuzz for vulnerabilities. Like, now imagine replacing word list with payloads. So you can fuzz like XSS payloads, SQLi payloads, path traversal, LFI, RFI, and the method will be same, but payloads will be different. So let's do subdomain fuzzing. Now let's expand our attack surface. Let's say we can get mail.google.com, admin.google.com. So we can use FFUF and dash u https and fuzz.google.com and dash w for desktop word list and subdomains.txt. So if it resolves, it's a live subdomain. So I hope you liked today's video. So if you did, please leave a like, and if you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. So thanks for watching, and bye bye and happy hacking.
Hacking, bug bounty, earnings.